My name is Dylan Reynolds and I work in the Public Engagement Department of BBC Cymru Wales. My favourite thing about working in my department at the BBC is just the variety of different things that we get to do as a department. We get to work on so many different events, get to meet so many different people because we work with the tours teams and bringing in lots of people into Central Square. It's just really special to be able to just meet and share those experiences with people as they come and they visit us. So my standout experience from the apprenticeship so far has been having the privilege of working the Irish Prize announcement event at Central Square. So we had lots of the nominees in and sort of the finalists in, and we sort of held an event for them. It was like a breakfast thing, and sort of we had a few like pastries and stuff, and it was sort of the announcement of the winner, and they'd all had like a long week of sort of celebrating and enjoying themselves, and it's sort of like the sort of peak at the end of announcing the winner. And it was just really special to sort of meet all those people and share the experience with them. I think the most valuable thing I've learned so far is just lots of just basic skills of day-to-day things that I need with my team, sort of using lots of sort of computer sort of technologies that I've not used before, and sort of picking up some new camera skills, things that I've learned in like boot camp and stuff, but things that are going to be really important sort of going forward with my career. I don't think it's been what I expected to be, solely because I really didn't know what to expect coming into it. And I think that's been really exciting, not knowing what to expect, because everything's just been so surprising, and it's just been really exciting to pick up loads of stuff as I go along. I think my advice for someone applying for an apprenticeship with the BBC at the moment would be just to try and consume as much BBC content as you can before going through the application process, and just trying to learn as much as you can about the business, because going into it with all that knowledge is so helpful.